I have a Subaru Impreza here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Subaru Impreza here. This one got smacked good in this back quarter panel taillight pocket area. It's going to get a new quarter panel, which I have right here. And then it also gets a new taillight pocket. But first, before I cut it apart, I'm going to go ahead and make a couple quick pulls to pull this damage back out. And after I get that roughly back out where it's supposed to be, then I will go ahead and I will get the quarter panel cut off, taillight pocket cut off, and start fitting my new panels up. I'm going to use this to pull off of. There's a plate that it threads into, and I'm going to grab that. Make a quick pull. Well, that kind of worked. Not exactly what I was trying to do, but we'll try again up here. They want this one 40 millimeters from this edge. So right about here is going to be that cut. Then this one is 110 millimeters down from this corner here. So that's going to be right about here. Then this bottom one is 20 millimeters from the edge of this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make my cut lines with tape and then make my final cuts. Well, I just about have this one all fit together. My door gap is nice and even and consistent, just like the other side. Then my taillight lines up very nicely, as well as the lift gate gap at the taillight there. So everything fits good. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this all welded together. I'll have to get my spot welder out, do all my spot welding, and then I'll have to MIG weld my 3 seams and a few spots back here that I can't really get the spot welder to, are getting MIG welded. So